Do you ever find yourself stuck in a loop of worry, replaying the same anxious thoughts, even when you know it's not helping? Well, there's actually a science behind that. In his book, Unwinding Anxiety, neuroscientist and psychiatrist Dr. Judson Brewer explains that anxiety isn't just an emotion, it's a habit your brain learns and repeats. Dr. Brewer's central idea is simple but powerful. Anxiety works like a habit loop, just like smoking, snacking, or scrolling your phone. It goes like this. Trigger: you feel stressed or uncertain. Behavior: you start worrying, overthinking, or avoiding something. Reward: you get a small sense of relief, but only for a moment. And that tiny relief trains your brain to keep repeating the cycle. That's why it feels like anxiety runs on autopilot. Most of us try to think our way out of anxiety, telling ourselves to calm down, or just stop worrying. But Brewer says that doesn't work because anxiety lives in older parts of the brain, the survival circuits, not in the logical, thinking part. So the key isn't to fight anxiety with logic, it's to retrain your brain's reward system. The book breaks this process down into 3 gears, like steps you can actually practice. Gear 1. Map your mind. Start noticing your personal anxiety loops. Ask yourself, what triggers me? What do I do next? What do I get out of it? Just seeing the pattern is the first step to changing it. Gear 2. Update the reward value. Bring mindful awareness to how your anxiety habits actually feel. When you pay attention, you might realize worrying doesn't help. Avoiding things feels worse later. Your brain starts to see that the old reward isn't really rewarding. Gear 3. Find a bigger, better offer. Replace anxiety habits with healthier patterns: curiosity, kindness, connection, mindfulness. Instead of fighting anxiety, get curious. What does this worry feel like right now? Where do I feel it in my body? Curiosity turns fear into learning, and that's where healing begins. Throughout the book, Brewer gives tools you can practice daily: mindful breathing and body awareness. Writing down your triggers and rewards. Using curiosity instead of control. Replacing self-criticism with self-compassion. He reminds us that anxiety won't disappear overnight, but every moment of awareness weakens the old habit and strengthens a new one in the end. Unwinding anxiety isn't about suppressing your worries, it's about understanding them. When you see anxiety as a habit loop, you stop blaming yourself and start rewiring your brain with curiosity, patience, and kindness. As Dr. Brewer says, you can't think your way out of anxiety, but you can learn your way out. Because freedom from anxiety starts with awareness, one mindful moment at a time.